Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar. Today we will learn how to divide the rational numbers in this video. Okay, let's start. Before the division of the rational number, we should know what is the reciprocal of a rational number. As we done in the fraction, the same process is here. Now, what is the reciprocal of 6 by 23? Here numerator and denominator. 6 is numerator and 23 is denominator. We will interchange the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of 6 by 23 is 23 over 6. This is the answer. Here minus 8. Minus 8, it can be represented as a rational number by writing denominator 1. Now its reciprocal is reciprocal is equal to minus 1 over 8. Similarly, answer for this is 21 over minus 10. This is the reciprocal. Now the question arises, what is this? You know that this is the symbol of the absolute value. Now minus 4 over 5 is equal to the absolute value of minus 4 by 5 is 4 by 5. Now the reciprocal is equal to 5 by 4. This is the answer. Here minus 7 and minus 8. Minus 7 and minus 8. Its reciprocal will be minus 8 over minus 7. Reciprocal will be this, and we can write it like this by cancelling the negative symbols. Now the question is here that we have to find the reciprocal of 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. It doesn't mean that you will do like this, that reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 and reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Student, this is wrong. Here you will have to solve the question first. After that we will reciprocal its answer. Now two rational numbers are there, therefore we will adopt the cross multiplication method. 3 into 5 15, 5 into 2 10 and 3 into 4 12. Now the answer is minus 2 over 15. Now we will reciprocal this value. Now reciprocal is equal to 15 over minus 2. In this way we can find the reciprocal of any rational number. Students, in this question we will learn the division of the rational numbers. Here we have to divide 1 by 8. So 1 divided 1 by 8 we write. As we done in the fraction, we will adopt the same method here. We will change the decimal symbol to the multiplication symbol and the rational number after that by making its reciprocal. So 1 multiply 8, that is 8, and there is a denominator 1, so the answer is 8. Clear? Now 8 is divided by minus 4 by 9. We will convert this 8, writing 8 by 1. 8 by 1 division symbol will be changed to multiplication symbol and minus 9 by 4. 8 multiply minus 9 and 1 multiply 4. Now 4 to the 8. 2 multiply minus 9, that is minus 18 by 1. The answer is minus 18. Here minus 4 by 15 divided by minus 3 by 8. Now minus and minus are multiplied, therefore the answer will be in positive symbol. So 4 multiply 3 is equal to 15 multiply 8. 4 2s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 1 multiply 1 and 5 multiply 2. So 1 multiply 1, that is 1, and 5 multiply 2, that is 10. This is the answer. In this way we can divide the rational number by adopting the method as we have done earlier in the topic fraction. Student, let me explain you this thing. When a rational number is in the bracket and it is having power minus 1, just like here, 5 by 8 bracketed and the power is minus 1. What does this mean? It means that we have to reciprocate the rational number inside the bracket. Now 5 is numerator and 8 is denominator, therefore as per the reciprocal rule we will interchange the 5 by 8 and it will become 8 by 5 and there will be power become positive. Okay, though the answer goes to 8 by 5. So you directly come to know that 5 by 8 power minus 1 is equal to 8 over 5. Similarly here, minus 7 over 6 power minus 1, therefore we will convert it into 6 over minus 7. Here in this bracket there are two rational numbers. We will have to add them. First we will add them and after that we will reciprocate the answer. Now with the using cross multiplication and mentally I will do this. 2 into 5, that is 10. 5 into 1, that is 5. And 2 into 3, that is 6. Power minus 1. Now what is this? 11 over 10 power minus 1. Now 11 over 10 power minus 1, it means 10 over 11. This is the answer. So you can see this. As you will see in question number 7, we have to verify x plus y bracketed power minus 1 should be equal to x power minus 1 plus y power minus 1, where the values of our x and y are given in the form of rational number. So let's check. Verify means we have to check that the answer for the left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. Okay, so for that we have to find the LCM of left hand side as well as right hand side. Now left hand side is this and right hand side is this. So I have written left hand side here and right hand side here. I will solve them separately. I will put the value of the x 7 by 11 and y minus 22 by 21. Okay, now I will solve the bracket as we done earlier here. So 7 by 11 plus minus minus 22 by 21. Now 11 and 21, their LCM will be their multiplication. 11 multiply 21. 7 multiply 21 minus 11 multiply 22, that is minus 1. 7 now 242 minus 147. 12 minus 7, that is 5, and 3. 13 minus 4, that is 9, minus 231. Now its answer will be minus 231 over 95. So the answer for the left hand side is this. Now we move to right hand side. The answer for this is 11 by 7 plus minus 21 over 22. Now we will solve this. As we can take the help from here. No need to go to the further calculation. 7 and 22. So 7 multiply 22. 11 multiply 22 minus 7 multiply 21. So 11 multiply 22, that is 242, and this is minus 147, and this is 7 to the 14 and 154. The answer is 242 minus 147, that is 95 over 154. Here you see the answer for left hand side is this and right hand side is this. These are not same, therefore we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So it is not true. Not true.